Hi everyone, welcome to Venture Away Vlogs. I'm Anthony.
And I'm Mia, and we are just starting our first vlog. We're heading off to Cabo San Lucas. We've been together for about 5 years now and just married recently, coming up on our 1-year anniversary. We love traveling. We do both work full-time jobs outside of traveling. We love food and the occasional drink, and we also love dogs. Also a lot.
Yeah, we had a pretty big honeymoon last year. We got to see a lot of places. We went to Portugal, Spain, Saudi Arabia, Maldives, Dubai, and we got back and realized that we really wanted to share all this with everybody, so we thought it'd be a fun idea to start these vlogs to bring you everywhere we go.
We also had lots of people along the way telling us that we should start a vlog channel, and we said, haha, yeah, cool. And then about a month or two ago, we looked at each other and said, maybe we should actually do this.
Yeah, so now we're heading out to Cabo San Lucas to meet our friends Chad and Rochelle.
And their Frenchie, Eggsy, and we're really excited.
So we'll be there soon. We've got lots planned, lots of tacos to eat. We're gonna go on a snorkeling excursion with hopefully mobula rays if we can find them. It's a pretty large migration, so that'll be pretty exciting to see. So we're gonna get as much footage as we can to share with you guys.
And we're staying in a really cool container house as well.
Yep.
It's neat. Never done that before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be a pretty cool trip.
So.
See you guys there. All right, we made it to our Airbnb here in Cabo San Lucas. It was a little difficult to find, but we managed to find it. Chad and Michelle picked us up at the airport in their rental. And we found Eggsy. So we'll give you guys a quick tour of what the Airbnb looks like. Alright guys, we are heading out to Chileno Beach today to do some snorkeling and swimming and get a little bit of time in the ocean. So we're going to head down there, pick up some snorkel gear on the way because we did not bring ours. We did not think about that while we were packing, and also we had it all packed away already, so we're going to have to go grab some stuff. But we're going to head down there, we'll bring the GoPro and hopefully try and get some good footage underwater. And Mr. Eggsy here is going to have to stay at home. Yeah, you're gonna hang out for a little bit. Maybe you can go for a swim in the pool when we get back. We'll see. We are downtown Cabo San Lucas right now.
And it's dinner time.
We are heading to La Lupita, taco and mezcal. Gonna get some good tacos, hopefully. We tried some last night.
Didn't do any filming last night, though. We were just having dinner with friends, enjoying our first evening. So tonight
We'll set the camera up so we can share the tacos with you.
Yeah.
La Lupita was phenomenal.
A hit.
We were hoping to film a little more in there, but they had live music, so it was really loud. We couldn't really film a ton.
The tacos are very messy.
Oh,
but
yeah.
very good.
Yeah. Every one that we had was incredible. Churros were also really good. We might end up back there this week. We'll see.
Yeah, we had 7 tacos that we split so we could try more. We had
Al pastor, 2.
2 of those. A chicken,
Lamb barbacoa.
duck.
The duck mole, yeah. What else do we have?
Oh, we had that Asian fusion one.
Oh, yeah, that was really good too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I mean, there's a lot of taco places to time.
Yeah.
There's a lot of taco places to try still, but we might end up back there. We'll see.
And ended the night off with churros, obviously, as well,
Yeah.
and those were 10 out of 10.
Yeah. So now we're heading back to Walmart just to get a few more things for the Airbnb, and we'll probably call our night. We're hoping to go out to do the Mobile Array excursion tomorrow morning, if we can still book it. So.
And trying to swing a deal
Yeah,
for a
we'll
little
see.
cheaper. So
Yeah, we'll see. Alright, we had a pretty relaxing morning. We just made breakfast at the Airbnb, some eggs and bacon, and relaxed in the pool.
We're going to get more tacos again.
Yep. Got lots to try. So we're at Tacos Gardenias now. They've got some really good tacos for really little money. So we're gonna take a look and try a handful of them and we'll see what we think. Just heading out for the day. It's about 7 a.m.
Wake up call was 5:30.
Yeah.
More like 5:50 for me.
We are
Try.
going to do our Mobile Array snorkeling today, which we also managed to find an excursion that ties in a 2-tank dive with it. So we're going to do some diving and some snorkeling today. So we're all set up. We're just walking down now. So we'll get some footage on the boat. Hopefully some good stuff underwater. Maybe see some sharks.
We'll see.
I'd like to anyways. Alright, we are on the boat. First things first, we are going hunting for Mobile Arrays, see if we can find some to snorkel with. We'll try and get some good videos too, because they fly out of the water pretty high, apparently. So
I think that's only in the evening, or mostly in the evening.
no, I think all the time. Mobile Arrays, they jump all day long.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, there are 3 reasons why they jump. First idea is basically you have to understand that mobile has only been studied for the last 8 years, something like that.
Yeah.
So it's only like 3 or 4 generations, not that much. But basically, there are 3 ideas. One is what everybody says, that is because they want to mate.
Yeah.
So they jump, and the one that makes the biggest noise is gonna get like easy to get elected. But we've seen a lot of females jump. We also think it's because they want to clean themselves, and also because they want to have fun. Sometimes you see kids.
That's the best option.
Fair
Yeah.
enough.
like it's not only because of one thing. Like you never know what is on like animals' mind.
Yeah.
Like maybe they do it because just they want to see the sun. I don't know. Who knows? It's pretty interesting.
Alright, we just finished up our excursion. We didn't have much luck with the mobula rays. We saw a handful of them jump in, but we couldn't find a good migration to jump in with.
But we did go to 2 dive sites today.
Yep.
We saw some eagle rays, eels, trumpet fish, tons of fish,
Yep.
starfish.
Yep.
Yeah, it was really cool. It was good.
Yep. It's my second time diving, so
And-
hopefully we'll get back out some more.
My 5th. And next up on the list is to get our certifications, but
Yep. Save us some money instead of doing these discovery dives every time. So.
yeah.
We're not sure what the plan is now, but probably go
Getting
find some lunch,
food.
drinks.
Yeah, food.
Yeah. Chad says food. Alright, so we just finished up coffee first. We found a little spot right down the road from our Airbnb called the Cabo Coffee Shop. It's really good. We had 2 iced coffees, 2 frappes, and we found a taco shop right next door called Tacos El Patron. I had to look at the window. But the prices are really good and the tacos look good, so we're gonna try out a couple and see how they are.
We are at La Taquiza for dinner. We've ordered some queso panito.
Their menu is huge.
Massive.
Tons
So-
of stuff.
Yeah, sorry, mojitos and queso panito are the only 2 things that we've decided on.
2 for 1 mojitos though, so can't go wrong.
So, quick recap, we actually didn't end up ordering any tacos. We decided we should probably try
Do
some
something a little different.
Yeah, try some new things. So I got a burrito, which I love anyways. A pesto burrito, and he got a
A torta with like 4 kinds of meat.
variety of meat.
I don't remember what was on it, but
Today was a busy day.
yeah.
We've been up for a couple hours. I napped in the car a little bit this afternoon, but that was like
We've been up for more than
10
a couple
minutes.
hours.
It's been a while. It's like 7:30 now. But yeah, we went on the boat this morning. We did 2 dives, and then what did we do after that?
Went for a little drive out to a dried up riverbed.
Oh no, we went to eat before that. We
Oh,
went
that's
to a
right.
coffee shop,
Yeah.
and then we got some tacos this afternoon.
Which is going to be in the video.
Yeah, we'll insert some clips. And then we went out for a drive to a cool beach about 30 minutes away
Yeah.
from Cabo San Lucas, and we brought Eggsy with us, and he got to rip around the beach. We'll
Oh,
insert
yeah.
some footage from
We
that.
had a blast.
There were some camels, some ATVs, and some razors going around there.
Oh yeah.
But otherwise, it was like pretty empty, so we had the whole beach to ourselves. And then we drove through some communities on the way back on dirt roads that are part of Google Maps here, but would not be considered a road in Canada. So now we have, worked up an appetite. So here we are. I would also like to take a moment of appreciation for my pina colada here. I'm very excited.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
10 out of 10.
So we are back in Walmart again for the third or fourth time, but it's likely our last time, so we just keep having to stop and get stuff. Nice Dr. Pepper. So this is our last stop of the night. We're gonna go back and hang out at the Airbnb for a bit, and we've got a boat booked for tomorrow, so we're gonna go do that. They've got some beer on board and burritos. We're gonna take us out to Lovers Beach, so that should be pretty fun. We'll check it in the morning and keep you guys posted. We are just heading out for the day. We've got our, what is it?
4?
Yeah.
5?
We've got our
One
boat
of the
trip
above.
today, so we have to go do a presentation at a hotel. It's kind of a typical thing that happens here.
No, it's not typical unless, so what
Yeah.
happened is that we got our private boat today for 2 hours to the beach with food from a taco place that we really enjoyed,
Yeah.
and drinks,
Yeah.
and beer.
$100 for 2 hours?
Yeah,
On
so
a
it was
big
a
boat?
sixth of the price that we would have paid if we just paid the normal price and booked in advance. I don't think we'd have to do this presentation, but
Yeah.
they get you.
Yeah,
have
they
to
tell
do
you
it.
at the end, after they tell you the price, all of a sudden it's, oh, go to this hotel, sit through an hour presentation, then you've got the
75
boat.
minutes, actually.
But, I mean, you are saving a lot of money on it, so...
Keep you updated on if it's worth it. I did do
Yeah.
it once for a diving experience with my mom, also in Mexico, but it was more of it was a residence, like a timeshare. It wasn't a hotel, so I'm not sure if this is similar.
Yeah, we'll see. It might just be a tour for all we
Or-
know, but
Anyways,
we'll see. We're going to go
we'll
do
find
that.
out. It's
and
worth
then
it for the price.
we are heading to the boat, so we'll see you on the boat. All right, so we're just going to do a quick little update here.
I can't see, I'm too short. Chad's got some words also.
We spent the entire morning...
So what we were promised was 75 minutes, 1.25 hours on a hotel tour.
75 minutes to do a typical timeshare presentation.
And all said and done, we spent 3.5 hours on a presentation that they wouldn't let us leave.
We've been there the whole day getting through this. Obviously, we're not interested in the timeshare, but for the price of the boat tour, we'll go and
We
sit
took
through it.
No problems. So by the time it was done, 3.5 hours into the presentation, we've wasted our entire day. It's now 2:30 p.m. We show up to the dock, and they're charging us actually more money than they said they originally,
Yeah, all of a
because
sudden, the exchange rate on the marina...
exchange rate went up,
yeah.
etc. So just be cautious.
Yeah, if you're coming to Cabo and you do a timeshare,
Tour,
there's
It's
a
not-
chance you're not getting your excursion, or you're getting...
or you're getting it for
An extra
still
fee.
a higher price than you originally anticipated.
Yeah. What do you think, Egg? You ready to go home?
Yeah.
You ready to go home, or you want to stay in Cabo?
He wants to stay in Cabo
You want to stay in Cabo?
with Antonia.
I think you have to go back to Mexico City, pal.
Nope.
All right. We made a quick stop at Costa Azul just to do some swimming. I rented a surfboard, and I rented it. I didn't say I surfed.
He didn't take my advice on surfing.
Yeah, it didn't go so hot, but I'm glad I tried it. We are sweaty. Our feet are burning. We're covered in sand.
We're going
Heading
to the airport
straight to the
just
airport
like this.
in our bathing suits. So
That's how you make the most of a day.
that's about it. We'll touch base when we get to the airport. See you later, Mexico.